गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? कैसी चल रही है आप लोग की पढ़ाई हो रही है? यू ऑल आर स्टडिंग वेल एट होम? वी आर रेगुलरली सेंडिंग यू वर्क? यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. You all are doing. So today I am going to start with the first poem, that is Dust of Snow. I have already given you the summary of this poem as well as the theme. Today I am going to give you the explanation of this poem. Which poem? Dust of Snow. And who is the poet? The famous American poet Robert Frost, who is a very famous nature poet, who has given a very good composition about nature, who always consider nature as his teacher, as his true guide. So today we are going to start with his very famous and a short poem, Dust of Snow. As the poem itself, title itself is representing snow. Snow, you all know, birth. Dust, the particle of dust of snow. It means, it shows that the background of this poem is set in winter's day. It is the day of winters, in which the poet has set this poem. The poet is saying that he is in a very gloomy mood. He is in very sad mood, and that's why some things which is being represented in nature, he considered it as bad omens. Now how you will say that we are going to consider it the poet is in very gloomy mood? Because when we are in sad mood or in gloomy mood, definitely we observe, we watch the negativity around us. And the poet is also, as he is standing under the hemlock tree, he finds some changes in nature. So that shows that he is in gloomy mood, because he is observing from nature some symbolic things which shows the negativity of his thought. First of all, crow. Crow, you know, this is a black bird which is also represent to ill omens. Omens means apshagun. Ill omens means apshagun. And another symbolic thing which has been represented, that is hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. It means this is a Jahrila पेड़. This shows the negativity of the poet's thought. This shows the poet is quite negative. The poet is negative while composing this poem. The first stanza deals with the negative state of poet's mind. Now let's start. The way a crow shook down on me. Me is referring to the poet. The way a crow shook down on me. It means this shows that most probably the poet is standing under the hemlock tree. Meanwhile, a crow perched on that tree and sat on that hemlock tree. Perched means sat, alighted, बैठना. Alight means भी बैठना, perch means भी उड़ के आया और वो किस पे? पेड़ पर आकर बैठ गया. Then what he did? Anyhow, he made the branches of that hemlock tree move, and with that movement, because this is a wintry day, the whole tree is covered with snow, and some snowflakes fall upon whom? That poet. Because who is standing under the hemlock tree? The poet is standing under the hemlock tree. Who has shook the branches of hemlock tree? The crow. And what has fell down from that hemlock tree? The flakes, the particles, the dust of snow. The dust of snow is of white color, which very smoothly fall upon poet. And immediately, as that snow fall upon the poet's head, shoulders, over him, immediately that has given a change in his mood. Now next, has moon. Now see what the poet is saying. As that flakes of snow fall upon him, immediately this activity, this falling of snow has bring some changes in his mood, and it has saved some part. Now what change has been brought out by this incident? It means he become negative to positive, because before this he was in negative mood. He was observing the negativity around us, because he was thinking that crow, that poisonous tree, everything he was just finding something bad and ill in the nature, and he was very upset. He was very sad because of this. He was thinking that his whole day is going to be ruined, as something bad is going to be happen. But immediately then, while he was surrounded with such negativity, one small action has brought a big change in his mood, that converted from negativity to positivity, from darkness to light. And which positive change? Immediately his mood was lighter. He was glad. That changes has gladded his mood, and he is saying that this has saved his day. It means the half of day he has wasted with that negativity, half of day he has wasted with that negative thought, but now at least that nature by his some instructions means some निर्देश उसको दिए गए, किस तरह के, कि don't think about such negativity. How nature is going to pass some message through some natural things. As crow has shook the amlok tree branch, the snow has fall upon him, and that whiteness has immediately converted his mood from negative to positive, and that has saved the part of his day. It means first part of his day was wasted, but now at least he is satisfied that rest of his day was saved. Of a day I had rued. It means the day which he has already wasted. I had rued. Rued means he was regretted. Regretted means he was having, you can say, sad feeling about that, deep sad feeling about that. He was just worried about that, और you may say वो पछता रहा है इस चीज के लिए, उसने अपना दिन क्यों बर्बाद कर दिया इतनी नेगेटिविटी में. But at least now he is happy that his half of the day is saved, as nature has given the positivity, passes its positivity to him, and he was able to save his day. So it means this poem deals with some, you can say, indications which most often gives by nature. It is up to us that how we are going to take it. Sometimes ऐसा होता है कि हम रास्ते से जा रहे हैं, काली बिल्ली हमारा रास्ता काट गई, हमारे दिमाग में ये हो गया कि नहीं अब हमारे साथ कुछ बुरा होगा, और हम ऐसा सोचने लगते हैं और वास्तव में कुछ बुरा हो जाता है. लेकिन कभी कभी हम उस नेगेटिविटी को सोचते हैं कि नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, नेचर इज आवर मदर, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू कन्वे anything bad to us. We are going to take it in positive way, and we become positive, and positive happens. In the same way, as he was thinking negative about that, he was negative. But as he taken it, the positive parts of the nature, his mood was changed and he become very happy. So student, go through this poem, go through to this poem properly, and if you will have any doubt, just you can write down your questions in the comment box. Thank you.